guys, today we're opening my own Happy Meal with my friend in his house, in your house. It's my house. Let's open the box. It smells good. Let me see. The stickers. Can I see? See stickers. Show it to everyone. The sticker. And the instruction for this instruction. What the?
There's a
One
lion
of these, there's no stickers.
Is this giraffe realistic?
These are the stickers. This is the parts. The wheels. The what? There's wheels.
Wheels. What's inside?
And there's no more. There's only this plastic. And there's one last one. There's last one. The K-pop Demon Hunters, the brand new movie.
And this thingy, I don't know what
This is the scan for the new game.
Let me try it.
No, don't scan it. Don't scan it yet. Just wait. And there's just only plastics. And this is the whole box. Bye-bye. I need that. This, just put it right in. Diding. No. And let's assemble this. Let's assemble this. What even is this?
Let's play McDonald's after.
Okay.
I will be the
post
worker.
it. Yeah.
There's actually no food in this Happy Meal.
Just gonna make fries with we're gonna make fries with crayons. If this is not gonna snap, just snap it with your teeth. Look, ASMR. And there it is. And this is what I got. The stickers and K-pop Demon Hunters. No. And the QR for the games and instructions and system
And plastic.
stickers and plastic. And that's what I got. This is what I got. K-pop Demon Hunters and bike and the stickers. Bye bye guys. See you tomorrow.